tell you about there, and there. Hey, continue.
Confused yet? If you are, hurry. Here's some sentences to help you remember. Sentence number 1. Look, there's a shark over there. Oh my God, a shark over there! Right? Wait, I'm a shark. Oh no no!
I think I played my part.
Oh my God.
I'm on a boat. And I have a dog on a boat. What was that for? Can't you see I'm busy trying to be on this boat? Rose, you're not on a boat. Not? No. Eliza's not. No, she's not. Whose boat was that anyway?
Theirs. And,
They're the most random people I've ever met.
do you like waffles? Do you like waffles? Do you like pancakes? Do you like pancakes? Do you like fish toast? Do you like fish toast?